Good evening, everyone. Hope you all are fine and safe. So, if you're wondering that why I have used long delta in the thumbnail, that's because I'm going to reveal a big secret today at the end of this video. Okay, I'm just kidding. There is no secret. Uh, I use long delta because these stock ideas are from the FNO segment, and basically they are related to the options trades. So which means that you can go long in call or put based on the stock idea. Delta here means that the movement, a 1 rupee movement in the underlying asset is gives the number of delta in which you buy it. So probably I will discuss the options Greeks in some other video. So this is all the FNO stocks, if you can see here. So it was a long list of stocks. So what I have done is that I have dwindled it down to the best three ideas that I have bring to you today, and based on how will they open and give the price levels, we can go long in them on Monday. So the first stock that I'm going to talk about is the Aarti Industries. So I'll share with you that why do I like this stock, right? What is the logic behind, and where should we go long in the stock? And I'm using the word long here because either will go long in call or put, right? So that is why I have used delta here, because this option strategy is only for options buying, and no other strategy like going selling stocks or spreads and all those strategies. So this is a very simple option strategy that will go either long in call or put based on the chart structure. So in Aarti Industries, if you can see, so prices have, after this low, they have kind of retested this low. And since then, prices are in an uptrend. It has recently cleared this high, right? And this strong selling day does not have any follow through. In fact, prices have reverse back from here. So which means that there is a strong buying which is going on. And in the weekly time frame, there is no strong resistance to the left. And if you remember from my past videos, I have mentioned that a strong move like this often leaves the void above, right? So we have a void above. This means that prices can very easily sail through, without any hurdles in between. We have a monthly chart which is in an uptrend. So most of the things, in the multiple time frames, they have come together, and it's a strong stock which is telling us that in the coming days it might move further above from here. Now the only thing here is, okay, so the daily chart is straight up, and it is moving straight up from past few sessions. So possibility is that it might rest at this minor support area for some time. Now best, let's just clean this up first. Yeah, so it might rest here for some time, and if it will just dip down back, meaning if it will give a breakdown failure pattern and then move to the upside, that would be a plus, right? Because if it will dip down and give any pattern failure pattern here, that would mean that it will eat up the stops of many novice traders, and then it will start the move to the upside. Now, so what action should we take on Monday? So as I said, if prices will pull back a little or dip down and then move back up, then probably we'll go and buy the call above this signal bar, which is this high here. So we can go long in call above this bar of this expiry, which is 27 January. But remember that do not buy the pullback because this is the signal bar, so we go long above it, right? So this was the first idea. Now let's move down to the second one. And just okay. Now this is National Aluminium. So again, prices have recently cleared the resistance, the highs, the recent highs here, and again we have a weekly chart which has a void above. So there is no strong resistance, so which means that when prices will start to move up, it will not have any kind of difficulty in moving. We have monthly chart which is in an uptrend. Hourly is also in an uptrend. So very simple idea. And let me just shift the chart a little bit. Okay. So on Monday, if prices will move above this bar, so we can definitely buy the call here of the same expiry, which is 27 January. And if it will pull back, that would be a plus. And but wait for the pullback to get complete and then buy it. Okay. In case of the stop, it would be either somewhere here, or let's say that if it will pull back and then start to move back up, then we can put a stop at the recent low here. Now let me just go back to the first stock for a second. And okay, so in this case, so in this stock, if you go long above this candle, your stop would be below here, right? So in the hourly chart, it would be somewhere here, right? And if it will give a pullback, right, so at the recent low here, you can put your stop here and just go long. So you have two scenarios here. First, prices pull back and then start to move up, then we will put our stop below the recent low. If it will not pull back and start to move up directly on Monday, then we can put our stop here. So let's say that if you have a small trading account, then do not go long in this stock because the stop would be little wide. Then we will wait for the second best entry in this. Okay, so with that, let's just move down to the third stock idea here. Okay, so this is Deepak Nitrate. Again, prices have made this low here, and then we have a higher low and higher high. So this means that prices are in an uptrend, cleared the resistance here, and now it is consolidating from past few sessions. We have a weekly chart, so we have a void above, no strong resistance, and we have monthly, which is again in an uptrend. So this means that prices, if it will break out on Monday, if it will clear all these highs, so we'll go long above this candle here. So let me just clean this up and show you. So this candle is okay. So this is the high of this candle is 2564. So we'll go long above this candle. When prices will move above this price level, we'll go long here. So that's it. These are the three stock ideas that I have selected for you. So if you have any questions, please ask down below in the comment box. And what I'll do is I'll go and post the charts of all these three stocks in the in the Telegram channel as well. and I will give the link of that Telegram channel in the description. So you can, refer the levels, refer the chart as well. And if you have any questions, you can just go and ask in the Telegram channel also. It's absolutely free. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, again, you can, always ask it. So that's it. Take care and catch you in the next session. Bye. Good night.